a strong sellers entry point area, and market started to falling down. After this pullback, market again break this candlestick opening price. So
Yes,
you can
sir.
place here 5 minute down, but follow this lower level also. Okay, so if you see
Okay.
this, there is no reference, there is no extreme sellers entry point area here, but there is a strong buyers entry point area here, extreme buyers level here. So don't go with the sellers, because market may again started to go up from this area, or market may create like this type of sideways type situation. Okay, so you are right here, but try to follow this type of levels, because you are going against this level, against this area. This is buyers
Yes, sir.
area, you are going to the with the sellers. That's why when you don't have any reference here, so no need to go with the sellers in this case. But if you have reference, then you can go. Okay, market started from here, and it a strong movement by the seller side.
Sellers.
So then another wave here, then another wave here. Okay, so see, there are different shapes of waves. This is a very strong movement by the seller side
Sellers.
first. That means sellers are sometimes market create this type of situation, this type of situation, then this type of situation. This is one setup of waves, and another setups of waves, this one, then this one, then this one. Then market create range, or market directly fall down. Then market create range or directly fall down. So what happened here? Short, then larger, then more larger. Here large, then shorter, then more shorter. So what happened here?
Yes, but after this bullish candle, again we got the red candle over here. So I thought that it could be the error.
No, there are so many candlestick here, and then 3 candlestick. Now market may create 1 candlestick by the seller side, or 2 candlestick. After that, market may again reverse.
Okay.
So by wave analysis and psychological movement, it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay, but see, there is a level here.
Doji level.
No, not doji level. This is round number level. This one.
Round number. Okay.
This one round number level, and this candlestick again break this round number level. So now this level will act as a support now. So what happened here? This market below this round number level. That means this bullish candlestick below this round number level. Market fall down. Exactly close at this round number level. Market fall down. But this time, this round number level breakout happened. So when you are analyzing in the market, you have to observe all other situations of the market, not only psychological pattern. Yes, psychological patterns also good pattern, and it's also work most of the time. It's very perfect, but when the level breakout happen, it will act as a support. When if you see this type of situation again here, it's an inverted hammer candle or hammer candle or spinning top candlestick below the support level, that means below the resistance level. After breakout, now it will act as a resistance. Below resistance level, then it will work very perfectly. But already market created 3 waves to the same direction, and this is the last stage of the market. So that's why it may happen. Okay.